2004 Excursion. Some 6.0 V10. Doing the water pump. No better time to start a project than at nighttime. Alright, I only had half the fan shroud, so let's go ahead and take that off. Got some 8mm bolts here. I'm going with a pipe wrench just because I could not locate the proper wrench that I needed to go ahead and tackle this, so it'll work. Alright, get your big old breaker bar, pull this tensioner back, keep it built off. Alright, trying to get the fan clutch out. Skip a little video in here, but pulley was on, this was on here. Couldn't get it off for the life of me. Jabbed everything in the holes of the pulley, tried to stop it, turn this, and I did what the internet said. Thank you, internet. Went ahead and grabbed me, well, I don't have it here now, but my pry bars, put it on the edge there, whacked it, boom, 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 started coming loose, and just spun it the rest of the way. Now we are gonna go ahead and take off the other 4 10mm bolts here. Right water pump, because they have a 90mm and then they went to a 100mm. So we'll see here. Make sure to throw these off into the grass or something like that so you can find them later. Oh yeah. Impeller seems to be intact. Oh, 7.3. Oh yeah, there's nothing there. I mean, was there a gasket here? Who knows? It doesn't appear that we have any cavitation or eating of the... Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. We're gonna go ahead and douche that all out. Clean it up. Man, I feel a little casting debris up in there, but I'm not sure I got the right one. Awesome. Oh fuck. 90mm. Don't have a micrometer, but I'm gonna go ahead and say that these are the same. And there's a test you can do. You can just slam them on the ground, and if they sound about the same, chances are they're the same. Oh no. Without a doubt, bigger. Fuck. Damn it, man. Come on up. Shaft to shaft. Or maybe those are just worn down. Shit. I don't know. Leave a comment in below. No, just kidding. Shit. So close. I think it's just worn down. What do you fellas think? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and take the diagram here. And the front cover. We're going to choir wheel that thing. But put the spray this girl down a little bit. And you get a little love too. There we go. Open there. Okay. Pop it in like so. And we will tighten it down. Lock this bad boy. Oh, that wasn't good. Drop my fast hose. So fast hose to drop it. Ooh, got me. Alright, bummer. This is indeed the wrong pump. The impeller hits like right at the groove there. So this is the 100mm and my 03 build 04 takes the 90mm. So anyway, nothing like half completing a job on Sunday. So you have some shit. Yep. Why is every single one of these VGTs spliced in? I mean, look at that. It's like a middle school kid did that. Nicked right there. Good metal.